And the waves are firing, getting higher, and better even as we speak. Yeah, don't you man, sun's hotter than ever before. So let's ride, surf and ride some more. Yeah, the waves is on fire, it is getting hot. This is my desire, I want to win the spot. Yeah, cool down. The waves is on fire, it is getting hot. This is my desire, I want to win the spot. Yeah, cool down. All you divers, gonna go and get your gear, and all you riders will stop at no matter, 'cause it's a hot day. Everybody, should it go and cool off, yay! All you paddlers, gonna go and get your gear, and everybody else, you know what to do. Go grab your Ohana, it's so nice outside. We're living in Hawaii with aloha and pride. The waves is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire, I want to win this party, yeah. Cool down. The waves is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire, I want to win this party, yeah. Cool down. The waves is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire, I want to win this party, yeah. Cool down. Sa dilim. Sa dilim. Nakita niyo na ba itong kapaligiran natin? Pakunti na ang ibon tubig ba ay maitim, at ang asul na dagat at ilog ay nagdilim. Ang sariwang hangin ay pawala na rin. Ano ba ang ating dapat gawin? Bakit hindi ba natin ito bigyan ng pansin? Dahil ng kalikasan ay inyong digit, kinabukasan ng kabataan ay ating isipin. Sa dilim. Sa dilim. Marami may ugaling magkalat ng sigarilyo, tumingin sa kalsada walang pangkena parang aso, mahilig sa pagkain kung saan ang tapot. Daanan ng tubig ay may kalawang at barado. Kaya huwag magtaka kung timulang mayroong baha, kaya huwag mag-isip kung ang syudad mayroong daga. Sa pagbabago tayo sama-sama magsimula, at pagdating ng panahon tayo hindi mawawa. Sa dilim. Sa dilim. Ayokong mga pilit, masakit ito para sa akin. Dayuhan man dito sa bayan, ilang kong tumingin. Bakit di ba natin mahalin ang sariling bayan? Di mo ba napapansin, tayo rin ang nahihirapan? Kinabukasan ng kalat if you don't. Baby, it's your party, I just wanna play. What's that sound? What's that thing that's got me like wow? Try to beat playgrounds. Girl, look at that body, I just gotta say. When you back it up and you drop it down low. And you pick it up, girl, I'm ready to blow. I'm stuck it up and I'm spinning it all. When I throw it up, start talking like drag it like Miley. Start talking like Miley. Drag it like Miley. You got everybody in this club looking at you, girl. How you move the thing from side to side. Have everybody in this club, 'cause I got you, girl. I'ma tell you what's going on tonight. Girl, it's the rain, it's the sound. The machine's got you like wow. Really keep it up, throw rounds. Baby, look at that body, I just gotta say. When you back it up, girl, up down low. When you big it up, girl, I'm ready to blow. Stack it up, and step it all. Throw it up. Start talking like Miley. Talking like Miley. Start talking like Miley. Talking like Miley. I know you wear them jeans, so I can see the tongue. Beat like Miley, and don't forget the tongue. 20 more shots, then I pass out, but that's what I'm waiting for, baby, let me drown. When I wake up, I'm still in the club, looking at the DJ like too much inside. Oh, so when the beat drops, get your ass in the floor. Start talking like Miley. Talking like Miley. Start talking like Miley. Talking like Miley. Yes, some projects on their own. Come on. I'm the flight that you get on, international. First class seats in my lap, girl, riding comfortable. 'Cause I know what the girl don't need. New York to Haiti, I got lipstick stamps on my passport. You make it hard to live. Been around the world, don't speak the language, but your body don't need explaining. All I really need to understand is where you tap it to me. Tap it to me. Tap it to me. Talk it to me. You know the words to my songs, no rap like English. Our conversations and long, but you know what it is. I know what the girl that want. Then down to Taiwan, I got lipstick stamps on my passport. I think I need a new one. Been around the world, don't speak the language, but your booty told me it's explaining. All I really need to understand is where you tap it to me. Talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. All right, everybody. With your friend in Rio, she was sola mio. Was a name Rio. Come on, everybody. Las cadenas, las tatinas, soul of the rings, you can tap my beat. You'll be between us come someday. Chest to chest, thumbs up neck. Get it if you know out of sense. Every picture I take, I post a thread. But with you, what do you expect? Her was so good of her therapy. Anyway, every time trying to get to it. Can I say in the phone and the beat booty? Every day I'm trying to get it. Can I say in the phone? sabay-sabay kapayapaan. 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 Lupang uhaw sa pag-ibig, naghihintay sa lig ng langit. Lupang uhaw sa pag-ibig, naghihintay sa lig ng langit. Halina't sumayaw sa ilalim ng araw, maghawak-hawak ng kamay, isigaw ng sabay-sabay kapayapaan. 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 Yes. Lumakuha sa pag-ibig, bigay na kaibigan, kapayapaan sa kinisigaw. Pagkapag-ibig, bigay na kaibigan, kapayapaan sa kinisigaw. Huwag na huwag maging barubal, matutong mamahagi sa kapwa. Huwag na huwag maging barubal, sarili mo'y bigyan mo ng dangal. Lupang uhaw sa pag-ibig, naghihintay sa lig ng langit. Lupang uhaw sa pag-ibig, naghihintay sa lig ng langit. Halina't sumayaw sa ilalim ng araw, maghawak-hawak ng kamay, isigaw ng sabay-sabay kapayapaan. 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 Sa may malakad merong kapre, may tabakong sindi-sindi. Sa sinag ng bilog na buwan, siya nagbibilat na nakapigilig bilog. Na naman ang buwan, kabilugan ng buwan, nilabas yun na. Huwag kalokohan, huwag yun na pipigilan pa. Sige pa, sige pa, sige pa, ang toy-toy, lalabas din lamang. Pabilog, pabilog, pabilog na naman ang meron namang isang lalaki, matong daw siya ng imabili. Pero pag bilog ang buwan, siyang nagkaraming babae. Bilog na naman ang buwan, pabilog na ng buwan, nilabas yun na. Huwag kalokohan, huwag yun na pipigilan pa. Sige pa, sige pa, sige pa, ang toy-toy, lalabas din lamang. Pabilog, pabilog, pabilog na naman ang buwan. Bilog na naman ang buwan, kabilugan ng buwan, nilabas yun na. Huwag kalokohan, huwag yun na pipigilan pa. Sige pa, sige pa, sige pa, ang toy-toy, lalabas din lamang. Pabilog, pabilog, pabilog na naman ang ako nang hahara na lamang. Umawit na parang bolang, ganyan ako, pabilog ang buwan. Last na last at nabubuwang. Bilog na naman ang buwan, kabilugan ng buwan, nilabas yun na. Huwag kalokohan, huwag din na pipigilan pa. Sige pa, sige pa, sige pa, ang toy-toy, lalabas din lamang. Pabilog, pabilog, pabilog na naman.
sa ating lahat.
Yes, makahingi naman po kami ng malakasang palakpakan po natin dyan. Ayan, thank you so much.
Ayan, at pwede po kayong mag-request.
Oo.
Mapa-Ilocano man, Tagalog, English,
English.
o Chinese.
Ayan.
Kaya ba natin yan?
Chinese?
Ayan.
As long as
Waray.
kaya po
Tongchoy
namin
lang.
siyang
Oo.
tugtugin.
Feel free to send us your requests.
Yes.
Especially kung ano po yung favorite song ni Mami.
Ano bang favorite song ni Mami?
Mami Teresa.
Yan, and our condolences to the Beer family.
Yes. Okay. Ayan. Habang
Babylon? Babylon ka no, inay.
Ay, hindi. Ikaw naman. Ilio.
Iliw.
Oo.
Ayan. Sigurado, adot mangililu kini Mami Teresa tata.
Yes. And of course, our deepest condolences to the bereaved family. Yes, Kalma family.
Okay. Kalma lang po. Siguro relatives mo din ano, kasi makalma.
Nila. Relatives nila.
Oo.
Ayan, magsabi lang po kayo. Feel free to request.
Send your request.
Oo.
Ayan. Mabalin nyo isurat apo iti papel. Bueno, tay adda kulay nga papel.
Kada numero
Ayan.
na ba?
Yung mga
Mabalin nyo,
nasa,
ba't nga ipukaw
yung mga nasa
ako?
likod, okay lang po ba kayo
Oo.
dyan? Pwede ba nga makarinig ng malakasang palakpakan? Pwede po kayong pumalakpak. Ayan, para naman matuwa si Mami. Alam niyo si Mami, balita ko, nalain na agsala isuna pa ilang kuma. Diba? Umepay lang makifiesta. Kasi, kasi lang nga, familiar ti rupa ni Mami kanyak tinaling nga sumalo ore baketin nga di edad na makibulbul rumpay lang.
Ayan, sigurado agsalsala ni Mami tata.
Oo.
Yan na.
Adad taabayo. Apo.
Alright, ibigay natin ang request nila.
Ulum neke jay ini itinag sa bata titaaw kinlangit nangayen abuya di mainatang na isong magiparik na iti panagmaymaysa ket di lawa nurusene di sitne dumteng tun di sarda agari ti ulime agkaraya ti lami tuunay ken ka, mami. Tikawan mo.
Awan sa bali nga ayat ko, no di si kalae nga ikat patet ko. Laksid kinano mo, ken naglabas mo, di sut pagrukudan, dahil ito'y puso. When aklune na kinatao, agaraman naglabas mo, dahil ito isut rason nga pang dudog mo, nusum ken gura tabarukon mo. Pinapot nung ngayan, hawan patek pinaglabas, sa kwenta ket masakbayan, arantay tibak tungpalan. Awan sa bali nga ayat ko, no di si kalaeng nga iba't patek ko. Laksit kinano mo, ken naglabas mo, bisut pagkukudan, dahil ito'y puso. When aklune na kinatao, agraman naglabas mo, tadinto isut rason nga pang dudog mo, nusum ken gura
Narimisot mang pangunay, itirik na kenake. Daytoy timulang ang takaunggan. Ano siya di mangyawa, kakaisuna na ayan. Diyak mabalin ang mapawyan, nasikat di patpatke. Naminag may saka, dito'y puso. Daytoy timulang ang takaunggan. Ano siya di mangyawa, kakaisuna na ayan. Diyak mabalin ang mapawyan, nasikat di patpatke. Naminag may saka, dito'y puso. Sabay kumabi ako, daigdangan. Unoy, tiagay at gengka. Sa nataan na ikamer, iti ayat. Anak daon, kaunggan ko'y puso. Langit iti kaya ri kaken ka. Wen sika inadara pa ako. Napatek hato'y puso ken rigna. Diyak kaya amabukaw katenat. Sikalaeng di ingay ayat ko, idi ita ketiyag na nayon. Sikabiyag ko't makaikabot. No apay naragsak ti lubong
may dumating po tayong mga request. Ayan, an-anusak. An-anusak uray.
Okay, agan anos kayo ko nam gamin.
Agan-anos kayo, Apo. Ayan,
Okay.
pumalakpak tayo man, Apo, deta.
Yes, and stand by for the song An Anusak Uray Awan Kan. Diyos ko,
Alas
Alas
3.
tres.
Martirak tapusom, one friend, and
You
you
needed
needed me.
At ito, yung Tears in Heaven. Heaven. Heaven knows. And Never
Mind
and
Her.
At
At
ang hirap. Okay. Isa-isahin natin to. Sino ba yung
Oo.
nag-request nito?
Ayan,
Pakitaas ang
Kaninong
kamay.
request po tong mga
Sino?
to?
Sino yung nag-request nito?
Para naman po alam namin kung sino po yung sisingilin.
Hindi. Para alam natin kung
Parang may
sino
bisita
yung
tayo
ano.
na ang saya-saya. Okay.
Oh, sir.
Anong pangalan ni Sir?
Emmanuel, ayan. Ang ganda nga.
Emmanuel. Okay. Sige po. Sige po, mamaya po. Madam
Mamaya
Sir.
po.
Okay.
Ayan, sino po yung nag-request ng may kasamang Heaven Knows, Never Mind Her?
At
Ayan,
ang
sino
hirap.
po? Para naman po mai-shout
Acknowledge
out.
kung...
Acknowledge.
Sino yung nag-request?
Ano? Oo.
Ayan, at naka-live po tayo ngayon at yung mga RN believers na nanonood sa atin, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat, lalo-lalo na kay Sir Luisito Cruz, Ma'am Raquel, and Sir Gilbert, and to Ma'am Senny Laida. Ayan, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat dyan. And advance happy birthday to Sir Luisito Cruz. Yes. Birthday na niya bukas.
Advance,
Okay.
sir.
At siyempre, andito tayo sa Kalma Family.
Oo. Para magbigay ng konting kasiyahan para sa pamilya. Kalma.
Okay. Ano yung uunahin natin?
Heaven.
Tears in, yung Heaven Knows? Heaven Knows na kay Orange and Lemon o yung, okay. Sige.
Ayan, parinig naman pa po yung isang malakasang
Palakpakan! Yes. Ayan, at request lang
Oh,
po kayo
Tears
ng request.
Tears in
Huwag po
Heaven
kayo
muna.
mahihiya.
Tears in Heaven muna.
Yes.
Tapos
And
Heaven
here's
Knows.
a special request.
And hello to Andrea and Andrew Espina and to Janelyn and Mike Espina. Yan. O, eto na po yung Tears in Heaven.
Yes, a song from Eric Clapton. Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong to carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven. Would you hold my hand if I saw you in heaven? Would you help me stand if I saw you in heaven? I'll find my way through night and day, 'cause I know I just can't stay here in heaven. Time can bring
Okay, yung susunod na ano, a song from Orange and Lemon.
Ay, magpalakpakan naman tayong lahat dyan. Yes, thank you so much.
Yes, and this time I'd like to give you another special requested song coming from a song from
Orange and Lemons.
Ayan, para sa iyo to. Kung sino pa man na nag-request. Alright. Kung alam niyo to, makisabay na rin kayo.
There are times when I'm lying in my bed, how I bellow and cry from this stupid game, and my eyes are like windshields on a rainy day, almost wrapped down, swelling as I keep on digging my face in these cold hands of mine. Heaven knows how unbeaten I am. Those these angels just flown away from me, leaving in a drunken misery. I should have cleaned her wings and made her mine through all eternity. Now these angels just flown away from me, though I had the strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? I'm so tired, I feel like catching for the weeks, been up all night, cell room that puts me in a trance. Her hopes and dreams come true. Now my lips are burning and my eyes are hurting from these fumes I made. Still I light another cigarette just to pass my time. Oh, heaven knows how unbeaten I am. 'Cause these angels have flown away from me, leaving in drunken mystery. I could have cleaned her eyes and made her mine for all eternity. Now these angels have flown away from me, though I had the strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me?
And that was
thank you
again
so
a
much.
song from
Okay, at meron ng request dito na The Sign and
Never
Never Mind.
Mind.
Kaya pagsunod, sunod-sunod
Oo.
na natin yung disco tapos Ilocano ulit. Okay.
Ayan, and here's a special request. Ayan, pwede mo
Yes.
kayong sumayaw. Come on!
New life, you would hardly recognize me. I'm so glad having a person like me care for you. What's my bother when you're not the one for me? Is enough enough? I saw the sign and it opened up my eyes. I saw the sign, not a statement without understanding. I saw the sign and it opened up my eyes. I saw the sign. No one's gonna drop you up to get into the light where you belong. Where you belong. Under the pale moon, for so many years I've wondered who you are. How could a person like you bring me joy? Under the pale moon, where I see a lot of stars. Is enough enough? I saw the sign and it opened up my eyes. I saw the sign, not the cementing without understanding. I saw the sign and it opened up my eyes. I saw the sign. No one's gonna drop you up to get into the light where you belong. My life where you belong. I saw the sign and it opened up my mind, and I am happy now living without you. I've left you. I saw the sign and it opened up my eyes. I saw the sign. Drag you up to get into the light where you belong. I saw the sign. I saw the sign.
Okay. At eto pa, request.
Another special request.
O kung gusto nyo sumayaw, pwede po. Nakikita ko na si Mami Teresa sumasayaw na. Oo. Magaling sumayaw si Mami. O, di ba? down the sunny day. Yesterday, the days before, sun is cold, rain is hot. I know, been that way for all my time. Take away all this gold, you see fast and slow. I know, it can't stop, but I wonder. I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? And I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down the sunny day. Yeah.
Ayan, sa mga gusto kong sumayaw.
Yes, good evening, all our neighbors.
Yes! Magsipalakpakan naman po. Ayan at syempre yan po yung mga requests.
Okay, at tapos na natin itong Tears in Heaven, Heaven Knows, Never Mind. At eto, napakahirap talaga yung mga
grabe.
request nila. At siyempre, mahirap talaga yung mawalan
Yes.
sa minamahal.
Ayan. Inayad na nakita.
Kuya, naligo po kami, kuya.
Nakariing kansan.
Nakariing ako.
Nakaringkan.
Wait lang. Ano dito?
Kastoy, unaan tayo dito, ano amo tayo ganyan?
Silos!
Silos.
Can same ground.
Okay, amom detoy no daddo makat kung may lagay may panahon.
Kaya yun yung uunahin natin.
Oo, ganun talaga. Siyempre naman,
Ganun po yung proseso ng pag-request.
ganyan talaga. Wag mo dapat
Sige.
sinantabi yung ano,
Paano yung
blessing.
silos ba?
Silos.
Paano yun?
Nagsiselos ba si
Hindi
kuya?
ata
Oy?
natin alam yun, inay.
Silos.
Try natin. Oo, try lang natin.
Ano yun ba?
Alam ko yun.
Parang ano
Silos.
yung may cupcake pa yun.
Barangay 40 Boyon. Ayan. Yung mga nag-request, inay. Barangay 40 Boyon officials.
Mga
Officials?
official dyan.
Barangay
Silos.
officials po ba to?
Oh,
Officially
Ayan.
selos.
mga selos ang mga-barangay officials natin dito sa barangay. Ano ba dito?
Buyon, inay.
Buyon.
Buyon!
Bakaran.
Oh, ayan.
Ayan.
Amuyon. Digiti taga buyon.
Oo. Sige.
Ano?
Yeah.
Sino ba
Ayan.
yung Sino ba yung nagbigay? Si Apo.
Ayan, mabalinda apo ti sumala ni sir nga, agap
AJ.
apot tatay, so dinawag ko no.
Nagdigos tayo.
Nagdigos kami, matkip di sir. Oo. Alright. ayan.
Silos. Sige.
Bibigyan
punta na
natin
tayo.
yung silos ba?
Yes, our barangay officials of Buyon. Ayan sa mga gusto ng sumayaw.
Alam mo ito, ang ganda talaga.
may blessings eh. Oh, baby, 50-50 tayo ha. Oo, hati tayo ha. 50-50.
Natibabak pa.
Sa'yo yung 70, akin yung ano,
Uy,
yung 150. Hindi na yung 50-50.
Ayan, magaling palang kumanta si Baby.
Magaling? Oh,
Brianna. Pakantayin daw natin si Baby, Nay.
Wow, talagang talented.
Sa akin na to, ha?
ayaw niya
Pinila
magpulot
kita
eh.
eh.
Tulungan ka lang namin, bibigyan ka namin ng 20.
Amin na to, ha?
Oo, pang bingo namin to eh.
Oy, tanungin mo naman kung anong pangalan ni baby.
Brianna, Inay.
Brianna, wow, pati pangalan ang ganda. Palakpakan naman natin si Brianna. Okay.
Ay,
Brianna.
kay mami pala.
Ayan. May kanta, may kan. Ited mo pala kan ni Mama.
Oo, Shakti mamam tatta, may kato.
May kan, may kan.
Brianna.
Brianna, halika.
Brianna.
Kanta ka?
Ayan, pahingi po kami ng
Oo,
isang
kay Bibo naman tong
mikropono.
batang to. Ano?
Oo, galing. Ipuun ko nga irugi.
Check, check.